Nestled within a small village near the mountains of Valle de Bravo, Mexico, CP Rancho emerges quietly from a forested landscape. Surrounded by trees and distant views of the mountains, the project was conceived as an equestrian retreat, a place where daily life unfolds in close connection with nature, and where horses are not simply accommodated, but integrated into the experience of living on the land. As the approach begins, the architecture reveals itself gradually. Rather than dominating the site, the buildings seem carefully positioned within it. Two retaining walls define the vehicular entrance, organizing the terrain and guiding movement toward the main residence and the future stables. This sequence creates a measured arrival, allowing visitors to experience the landscape before fully encountering the house itself. The design is composed of simple volumes crowned by traditional gabled roofs. Drawing inspiration from the region's rural architecture, Weber Arquitectos reinterprets familiar forms through a contemporary lens. The result is a home that feels rooted in its surroundings while maintaining a clear and modern architectural expression. At the heart of the project lies a central courtyard. More than just an outdoor space, it acts as the organizing element around which the entire house is arranged. The courtyard establishes visual connections between different areas of the home, while bringing natural light, fresh air, and a sense of openness into everyday living. One side of the courtyard is occupied by the primary volume, which contains the home's social spaces. Here, the living room, dining area, kitchen, family room, study, and terrace are gathered together in a continuous sequence. Rather than separating activities into isolated rooms, the layout encourages fluid movement and shared experiences, while maintaining a strong connection to the outdoors. structural system plays an important role in shaping the experience of the house. Timber beams extend beyond the enclosed spaces and continue outward to form a pergola above the terrace. This extension blurs the boundary between interior and exterior, creating shaded outdoor areas that feel like a natural continuation of the rooms within. Within the social zone, the kitchen is carefully integrated rather than hidden away. A central architectural volume acts as a spatial filter, defining different functions without relying on solid partitions. This subtle strategy preserves openness while providing a sense of organization and hierarchy within the shared living areas. One of the most notable architectural gestures can be found in the orientation of the main volume. Positioned to capture views toward the lake and surrounding mountains, the building takes advantage of its setting through a large skylight integrated into the roof. This opening draws daylight deep into the interior, while also contributing to thermal comfort, reducing the dependence on artificial lighting throughout the day. Across the courtyard, a second volume houses the more private functions of the residence. Bedrooms, bathrooms, a wine cellar, and a steam room are grouped together, creating a quieter atmosphere, separated from the activity of the social areas. A walkway and the courtyard itself become transitional spaces, gently linking public and private life. The material palette reinforces the project's calm and unified character. Pigmented plaster is applied consistently across walls, floors, and screens, creating a monochromatic composition that emphasizes form rather than decoration. This restrained approach allows light, shadow, texture, and proportion to become the defining qualities of the architecture. What makes CP Rancho particularly inspiring is the way it balances simplicity with a deep sensitivity to place. Through its courtyard-centered layout, carefully framed views, natural lighting strategies, and seamless relationship with the landscape, the house demonstrates how contemporary architecture can feel, both refined and deeply connected to its environment. Rather than competing with nature, it allows the surrounding forest, mountains, and open sky to become an essential part of everyday life.